Hello and welcome to this video, which is a guide on how you can insert an header image to a Google form. If you're still sending people links to boring Google forms to fill, this is for you. And this is what I'm talking about. A header image of a Google form, something like this. So to do so, you will open the form, opening a blank form. Okay, so you know how to put a title for your form. Okay, so on the top part of this form, you can see this customize theme next to preview. Customize theme, that's where you're going to click, not settings. Okay, so you go to customize themes and make sure you are under questions. So you click on customize themes and it will open on the right hand side these options under theme. So this is where you change the text, font type and size. So what we're going to do, we're going to come to this area with header and click choose image. Okay, when we choose image, we have three options under the select header. So themes, these are images that are already here. You can choose from them depending with the what you're creating that form for. If it's for a birthday, you have these options. If it's for food and dining, you still have these different options. For party, just for kids, for wedding, night out, sports and games, and travel. So for in this case, I'll choose which one, night out. Under night out, you have all these that you can choose from. So in this case, I'm going to choose the first option. So you click on it and say, and then click on insert. Okay, and just like that, you have inserted a header image into your Google form. This is to make sure that your form is not boring. The other option is still under customize theme, under theme, and I'll just remove this so that I can show you the other option. Choose image. So under themes, then there is another option which is to upload. If you click on upload, then you must have that image in your computer that you're going to attach. So browse and choose, let's choose these shoes. So you just upload that image and it will clip it, crop it, and get something like this. So this is the area that has been cropped, and let's wait and see how it appears. This is for after I have uploaded. I'll still remove this and show you the other option. Choose image. The other one is photos. Maybe you have photos saved in your Google Drive. You'll be able to see or access all the photos in this area, and then you click on the photo that you want and then click on insert or under this area, and it will appear as a header image in your Google form. And friends, that's how you insert a header image into your Google form. Make sure the next time you're sending people links to a Google form that they're supposed to fill, whether it's a survey or a questionnaire, it's good looking. Yeah, it's beautiful. And that's it for this video. Please like and subscribe, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye.